catching fireflies right now. We're waiting for them to light up so we can catch them. Whee!
Wait, there's one right there.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Come on, bud. Come on. No, missed you. Where'd you go? Oh, just flew onto my hand.
Nice. Oh, it just flew away too. Let's try to find more. Let's try to find more.
There was one up in the tree that was really cool.
Alrighty then. Ooh, there's one by that little tree. Oh, did you see that little lightning bug?
No, where'd it go? Right here.
Go! Okay.
Do you love how that guy walked past us? We were like catching fireflies and he's like...
Right. Wow, that's really weird. Recording. Anyways. Back to fireflies. Hold on. Let me try to find one that I could actually catch. I saw one, I swear. It was over here somewhere. Alright. I'll record you first. Alright. You ready, Bridge? Alright. Woo! Woo!
Ooh, is that a mosquito?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going. I feel like a fairy princess today.
Alright. There's a bunch of them, but I keep missing them. They're tricky.
You need to get some jams out here.
Oh, wait. Oh, did you see that light thing? It lit up, but I missed
Jordan,
it.
we should have a camp out tonight.
That would be fun. Ooh. Yeah, that's a goner. Sing around the campfire and sing a song. C-A-P-M-P-F-I. I didn't catch one yet. Well,
Yeah, you did, Jordan. You caught like 10.
Yeah, but like not like on camera. I'm an expert at this. Oh, wait, there's some on the grass. Look it. Just watch the light up. They light up everywhere. Oh, just missed that by an inch. Like, they usually come to me, but now they're just camera shy or something.
I dropped it.
My feet? Bridget's feet. My feet? Bridget's feet.
My feet.
My feet?
Sparkle toe.
Bridget's feet.
Sparkle toe.
Alrighty.
Told you, I'm feeling like a fairy prince.
I need to catch one. You just keep twirling and twirling. Oh fuck, it fell. I had it, but it fell. So, like, that doesn't count. My phone, that was in my pocket, but I guess not. Yep. Alright, well, I'm gonna catch one before this movie ends, and if I don't, I'll be very depressed. This video.
It's probably been like 3 minutes. I don't call that a movie.
4:33.
Oh, hold on,
34,
more.
35.
Oh, whatever.
Is there any over there? Oh, there's one just. Alrighty. Oh, shit. I just lost it.
You want me to videotape so
No.
you can catch them?
Oh, I
You
think.
won't be able to catch them.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't.
Ha! Ha! Ha!
Too bad it's like scampering on its back.
Do you see that, folks?
Animal cruelty.
Do you see that? Do you see that? Yeah. Joy Lima just caught, and just released it into the wild. What? What now? Alright, that's good. I caught one, so. Alright, cool. Bye.